Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the this constructor and what is overloading constructor. Okay, uh, so in the student class initially we are having 5 instance variables, right? Usually in the previous session and all uh, we have gone with the 5 different instance variable: yes, name, department, address, phone number and roll number. Since in the table we had these 5 columns, so we created these 5 instance variables. Now I'm getting a new requirement, like we need to add one more column at the end, that is father name. That particular student name, we need to have the father name also at the end. So this is the new requirement. So for this, what we have to do is we need to add one more instance variable like the string father name in the student class. Okay, so also we need to create one more constructor like this student, and we need to add one more extra parameter, because we need to create a new student object in which we need to pass 6 different values. So we need to add the newly added parameter instance variable, that is father's name. Also we need to pass the value, right? So in order to create an object with the 6 different values, we need to have one more constructor like this, new constructor. This one is the old constructor, which will have only 5 parameters. This is the new constructor with one extra parameter, that is the 6th parameter. Okay, so usually how it will be is, it will be like this. This how we will be assigning the values, right? So yes, name equal to 1, department 2, 3, phone number, roll number and father name. That newly created one is sixth parameter, so father name equal to 6. Okay, so instead of assigning like this, what we can do is we can remove this 5 line of codes. Okay, and we can call using the this constructor. What this keyword will do is it will call the one more constructor which is matching this data types. So first one is string, second one is string, third string, 4 integer and 5 integer. So it will check for other constructor which is having similar type with 5 parameters. So this one will get matched because string and 2 integers, 5 parameters are there, right? So it will invoke this constructor here. Okay, so it will assign 1 to yes name and 2 it will come here, and this 2 will get assigned to department. So likewise these 5 instance variables will get assigned in this constructor, and we need to just assign the newly added passed parameter to this father name. Okay, in this way we can make reuse of the old constructor also using this keyword. This is one thing. And overloading constructor means, see here we are adding 2 constructors with the same name. So constructor is actually, class name should be the constructor name. Okay, so already we are adding one constructor with the 5 parameters. Now we have created one more constructor with the 6 parameters. So this difference is called overloading. With the same name we already have one constructor, again we are creating one more, so it is getting overloaded. But there should be some difference. So here we are having the number of parameter difference. So here we are having only 5, in this constructor we are having 6. So this difference we should have. And this also is one of the overloaded constructor. This is the default constructor, right? So if we declare this student default constructor, then in this student class we can say like we have 3 overloaded constructors. One is student and another one is student with 6 parameter and student with 5 parameter. Also you can make difference in the number of parameters also. Sorry, in the type also, like see, now it's showing some error, right? Because duplicate method student, that means duplicate constructor we have created, because already we have 6 parameters, string, 2 integer and 1 string already we have. So it will not accept But if you change any one of the type string to integer, right, see, now the error is gone because there is some difference between this constructor and this constructor. The data type is different. The third data type is here it is int and here it is string. So this is acceptable. Okay, so likewise you can have n number of constructors, overloaded constructor in a particular class. Okay, but for this program we just need this one new constructor along with the old constructor. Okay, you may ask why we still need the old constructor. Instead we can go with the new constructor itself, right? Here itself we can assign s name equal to 1, like that we can assign, right? Why still we need this old constructor? Actually, in the previous program we had only five instance variable only, right? So some users might have already used this constructor in their program. So if we remove this constructor from the student class, right, it will cause some trouble in the existing coding. So that's the reason we should maintain the old constructor also. Along with that, we can add a new constructor and we can call the old constructor here using the this keyword. Here you should not use student like this. So inside the constructor, if you are calling another constructor, you need to call by this keyword. Okay, and one more information is this, inside the constructor the first line should be either this or super. That has to be the root. Okay, so here we are using this. So okay, I think I have covered most of the information in this regarding constructors. Okay, if you have any doubts in constructor, please let me know in comments. I will try to answer in more detail. Thank you guys.